How to fix Microsoft Store not working on Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Run, type in services.msc. Press on enter, then in here search for Windows Update. Right click on it and then go to Properties. You'll find Startup Type. Make sure it's automatic and delete start. Click on Apply. After you have clicked on Apply, press on OK. After that, again scroll till you find Update Orchestra Service. Right click on it, go to Properties, and in Startup Type, make sure it's automatic delete start. Press on Apply and OK. After you've done that, simply open Microsoft Store and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Microsoft Store not working on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.